Good morning, everyone. Um, Welcome to another session of Market Review from Trading Empire by me, Effective. So, yeah, a lot of people have been asking me questions about trades. They've been asking me how to get perfect entries. I've been getting a lot of questions, recently in the recent month. So, with that said, um, let me share my screen. With that said, right, um, I'm having, we are having like a seminar, not a seminar actually, a masterclass. So the difference between a seminar and a masterclass, seminars we discuss about trading, explain trading and stuff like that. Masterclass we teach you how we get our entries, how we get profitable, how we manage risk, how, everything like that we go through in our trading. We'll even do live trading on the day, all right? So you see exactly how the thinking goes into executing a trade and how to manage a trade. So this event is happening on the 29th of March in Sandton, right? Uh, I'm not doing a lot of events. Like I've been in the industry, like, you can even see here on this is my trading view, right? Like it shows you when did I join this? Like 2016, I joined TradingView, but I've been trading from 2014, so it's almost 10 to 11 years, and I've been teaching for 5 to 4 years, So like I am tired, you know. If mentors, you see mentors disappearing, it's not that they are hiding per se. Some of them are just tired. They just want to trade, make their money, and just live their life. They don't need to be on socials. You get to a point where you just want to trade. Understand? So we just do these type of sessions just to help out the new generation. There's always a new group, a new age of traders coming through so that they don't have to go through a whole lot of bad, teaching and stuff like that. So once in a while, maybe me personally, I'll do like 2 events in the whole year, you know, but yeah, I'm not interested in teaching much, I teach once. If you want mentorship, yes, it's $200. I'll teach you everything. But I just want to show a glimpse of what goes through when I'm executing trades. So you understand that there's a whole lot more than what you just see when I post a chart, right? Um, so let's get straight to the charts, right? First things first, always you go to investing.com. I prefer this. There's a lot of other places. Cool. Investing.com, I come here. Cool. You just type investing.com basically, and then you type economic calendar, right? When you type economic calendar, you say this week because you want to identify what's happening in this week. So news is always there, in each country. There's countries, like now I know Euro. There was Euro news on Monday. Tuesday, like this has passed. Next coming USD news. I am aware what type of news is coming through. And then 3 stars means it's highly volatile. 2 stars like medium. And then, this 1 star is low volatile, you know. So you can filter that out. You just go there to filter, so you don't see a whole lot of news. Because if I apply all of it, you will see a lot of things that you unnecessary. You get me? So the best way is to filter it out and just focus on the key ones. Now, why is it important to know the news? So that if you're in a trade, you know that there might be a big spike in your trade or something might happen to it. So let's say if I'm in a USD trade at 5 and I'm in profit, I'd rather lock profit because I don't know what direction this news will cause the US market to have to do, So it might make me go into a loss or it might make me go to hectic profit or hectic loss. So if I'm in profit, I'll close it. If I'm not in a trade, I'll wait until the news is gone. So it's important to know what news is coming through. So this week there's a lot of USD news as per usual, and there's some Euro news, right? So I am aware that okay, Wednesday there's USD, Thursday G GDP. If you want to know about the news, you just click there. It will, on whatever news you want to learn about, and then it will explain to you what the news is all about. So yeah, so you understand and you learn. Okay, getting straight to the trades now. So I'm aware, I just check USD. There's going to be movement in USD a lot and some Euro. Cool. Okay, now to the charts, right? Cool. What pairs I'm looking at? Let's go to the charts. So I always place pairs by the ones on the top is the one that I see that it's trades that I expect to be trading that has the highest possibility of moving the way I want them to, and then going lower and lower. So if I'm trading, I'd focus on the top four always. So I choose the top four, but I also monitor the rest. Right? Cool. So right now I've got AUD USD, right? I had AUD USD, right? So I predicted from there that that's the entry. And then I'm expecting that movement, that a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move to the downside, right? I saw that AUD USD is at like let me just is at a high area, right? So I saw that zone, it's in a zone there to resist and that trend line. So in that zone there, you can't see it properly because there's a lot going on there. Let me remove this verb actually. So I saw that, okay, there is a key zone, 100%. So I expected a turn and that trend line, support, 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 breakout, there has to be a retest. And that's what it did. It retested on that zone, retested right there at the zone. Then I'm expecting a drop. And that's what's happening, right? So we're looking for more movement to the downside, right? Cool. We know that this is a good trade, right? I'm expecting one more move down, then a retrace, and then a drop again. Okay, so that's AUD USD. Cool. Then I've got my NZD USD, right? I've been sitting on this trade here for a long time. I think since here, I've been seeing buys, right? Since somewhere here, December. Yeah, since December, actually. I've been looking for buys. It comes, expected to go up. It comes back down. Now it's pushing up because it broke out of, it's been playing in this block, right? Now it's pushed out, retested, it's going. So every time it comes here to the bottom, I would be buying, right? Even 2 weeks ago when I sent a video, I bought in that zone because I'm expecting that. So, you might wait, like, look, been waiting since December for it to push up. It only started pushing up in February. Some trades take long. That's why you analyze at least 4 trades that, you know what, if this one is going to range, at least you have other options that could be moving. So you monitor. It's hard to monitor a lot of, imagine if I'm monitoring all of these pairs, right? And I still have a life to live, it becomes very difficult. So you choose your best four for a week, just focus on those. Don't keep on changing up and down. Choose your best four for the week that you see and stick to them. So yeah, it's moving up, you know. There was let me just zoom in closer, right? As I knew that, okay, I'm looking for support. Cool. I was looking for a 5-wave move. So there's it there. Kept on coming down, started there, tried 5, didn't work out, came back to retest the bottom. So now I can see that happening. Anyway, so that's what's been happening. So I'm expecting that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move. And I see that this was, you could see that as consolidation. Once it broke out, I was buying. So now it's starting that consolidation again. And as long as I'm looking for, excuse me, and as long as I'm looking for buys, right? As long as I'm looking for buys, I'm looking for, when it retraces, I'm looking for that breakout so that I can continue. So I'm looking for that the last wave move up, right? So if I was trading this pair, I would be entering there, you know. Let me find something I can use. I would have entered like there, right? Cool. As it goes up, block profit, right? Let it go. Then I'd see it retracing. My profit is locked here so that if it tries to come below here, it closes in profit. Goes, ranges. Then once it breaks out here or there at the bottom all the time, I'll be buying. But once it breaks out, that's my second entry. As it moves up, lock profit, let it go, right? Let it go, locked profit. Now I'm waiting for this one to break out to the last one. Enter there, enter the last trade somewhere there. Then I've got 3 trades running in profit, going up. Cool. Always going in the trend, not against the trend, right? So we have a AUD USD, NZD USD, USD JPY. Let me start with Euro, ETH USD crypto, right? Cool. This one, crypto's always spiked, so yeah, it's difficult to trade, but yeah, we will try and get it right. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ways move. We are sitting at support, right here. It's like some major support right here. Major support right here, but it keeps on spiking, going up, spiking, going up. Right now, spiking. You never know when the spike is ending, but yeah, that's the thing about crypto. But anyway, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's a spike. That means there's a lot of buyers here, so it's trying to get rid of them, and then we're gonna go up. So yeah, we're just waiting for the right moment to go up. It's coming. We'll be patient with it. Yes, you trade, stop loss tight, it hits, trade again, stop loss tight, hit, enter another one. When it goes, it's gonna go. It's gonna pay off for all these stop losses, right? Cool. So yeah. Then I'm looking at USD JPY, right? USD JPY was in a uptrend, broke out, retested. Breakout, when it comes back to retest, it tells me that now it's canceling the uptrend. Now we're going down. So if I zoom in closer, retested, then first wave, I'm expecting a buy there for USD JPY. I'm expecting basically JPY to lose some strength, right? So if we look at the yen in a whole, JXY, that, right? We did see price was in a downtrend, always holding. Then there was a breakout. Breakout, there has to come a retest. And then the retest came and price went up, but it went further down, came back again on the support area, then only left. So it has been going up for a while. I'm expecting some pullback to happen. And with this pullback, that means yen pairs are going to be bullish. We can see also from these candles here in the zone. These candles, you know, that week, it doesn't want to break this area. So that's the level. Because you can see big spike, but doesn't close above. Big spike doesn't close above this line. So that means drop in yen is coming. With that said, all JPY pairs are bullish. So with that said, I'm looking for buys on JPY there, USD JPY, and then another JPY pair that I'm seeing a buy is Euro JPY. Right. Let me zoom. Let me get closer. Yeah, I'm looking for that. It's always holding the support, holding it, holding it. Now we are here. I'm waiting for that trend breakout of this trend line, push to the upside, come retest, then we're going further up. So I'm basically looking for a candle close above this trend line to actually go in hard, right? But it's coming because we've identified that JPY is weak. So I'm gonna place it closer to the top because it's a fresh trade. Yeah, then that's that. What other one? Just gonna look at USD, US 30. I predicted from that zone that it was gonna drop, double top there, was waiting for it to break below. And then, yeah, I posted this before it went down, then it dropped right to my zone. So I'm expecting some pullback now on US 30, but it's not my main focus for the week. I'm expecting something like that, then continue to the downside. Right. Um, Nasdaq. Nasdaq is in this trend, right? It always holds the support, but I want to see that candle close. If tomorrow's candle is a bullish candle, that means we're still holding this trend line. But if this candle closes without a wick today, that means we're going down, gonna retest and come back down, right? Yeah, and then gold basically has been going up forever. So when something doesn't have a previous high, I don't have something to compare it with anymore. So I'm just gonna wait for it to, what's the word? Form lower lows. So right now, what I'm looking at is this block. Taking everything, but anyway, it doesn't matter. There's this range happening here, right? So I'm looking for price to break, retest, and then let's go. Before I even think of trading this pair, it has to break this block, this range, drop, come retest to show that it's broken that, and then continue. But other than that, yeah, I'm not touching it. So that's why it's right here below. So yeah, man, like those I don't want to talk about too many pairs, you know, just those. You choose from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Choose from the 7, your top 4 done for the week. So I was talking about how do you what do I go through when I'm executing a trade? Let's go through something like I'm gonna just try and analyze Euro JPY. Cool. Now I've got my Euro JPY. Cool. I want to enter it, want to get the best entries. I know long term it's a buy, cool, but I want the best entries, right? So on my MT5, you know. Let me pull the pair. Cool. Right. M15 because I want a good entry. Cool. I'm looking for levels. There's this level that's been support. Great. So on M15, I'm looking at this. I've got a currency meter, right? This morning it was on 99% strength on JPY. So I knew that if that's strength, that means it's gonna come spike down. I wait for it, this currency, to go down to 30% or 50 below 50% so that I know that okay, now the JPY is losing strength. Cool. That's one thing that I look at. I have a currency strength meter to see which pair are strong, which currency is weak, sure. Then I've got this trading dynamic index, you know. Every time, like, this is like a road. Every time price breaks out of this road, I know there's a reversal coming. So like there, I knew that there's a reversal coming because it spiked out. Then here it spikes out, does a double, then I know there's a reversal coming. There spiked out, no, there's a reversal coming. Do you see what I'm talking about? So I have tools. I don't just trade. I check a lot of things. Here now, it spiked out. Then I knew that's where I'm supposed to enter after the spike out to get my buys. So I'm looking for just buys. So I would have entered there and I entered there anyway. And then I'm looking to go to the upside. Do you see? I've just told you, looked at the currency strength meter, looked at my RSI. This is like an RSI, but an advanced RSI. I know that I'm using that. I've got a little tool here that tells me that the trend is still down, 80%, 19% up. It's not ready to move, but I've identified a key areas that the stop losses can be tight, right? And then there's something here, you won't be able to say it, but this identifies every time frame. Let me say black. Let me see what happens if I make it black. And it still doesn't show properties white. Yeah. What color are these things? But anyway, this is like 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. So it tells me what does the trends look like on each time frame. So when there's a lot of red bars, it's still like on a downtrend. I'm looking for some green ones to really go in. So we're still in a range, but I got the best entry. So just like when I say mentorship is important, is because there's these things that you don't know about, that we don't discuss on a daily basis, that we don't share with everyone, that we use. I mean, I'm not gonna share this for free, and this knowledge for free. You understand? I mean, it's what 11 years of trading that it took me to get it and then share it for free. No. So I just share. All I can share with you is my charts. But in my mentorship, if you're in, you get those tools. But yeah, the best thing I can share for free is the YouTube analyze for you, tell you what I'm gonna do, what I'm expecting to do, how I'm expecting to enter that. So yeah, guys, hope you're good. Let's just recap. We're selling AUD NZUSD. I'm selling. I'm sorry, buying. Just a retracement. So I'm buying, that. Selling that one, buying that one. Euro JPY pairs, I'm buying all of them. Ethereum, I want to buy. It's busy spiking, but I want to buy. US 30, I'm looking for a retracement. NASDAQ, I'm looking to see in this trend line what's going to happen. So if you want to really see what I'm doing, because I won't update you every day, it's either mentorship or you come to trading view, you follow me, Mr. US 30. It's a name that I used before. I'm trying to change it back to effective, but it's not allowing me, so I can't change it. If you follow me here on TradingView, you'll see all the trades that I'm posting. I post like trades all the time, whatever I'm thinking of doing. See, I posted that 2 hours ago. 2 hours ago. Yeah, 2 hours ago I posted that. That I posted 4 hours ago. This I posted on the February the 20th. You see, when I said I expected that to happen, and it happened. You know, so I don't like I try and post as much stuff as I can. So yeah, like USD JPY expected it to buy there before dropping. See, it bought, hit that zone. So I post my stuff. But yeah, that's not to keep the video long. That's it for this week. See you all next week.